admission for one. Are the animals awake? I don't need the book for the thing.
Okay. Just to let you know, we do have a presentation from one of our zookeepers at 11:30. They'll be bringing out around 3 to 4 of our animals for you to meet in person and learn more about.
I'm sorry?
We're going to have a presentation from our zookeeper at 11:30. If you're interested in that, they'll be bringing out some animals for you to interact with and learn more about.
Alright. I'll be here. Nice. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. What time is it?
It is 11:04.
Alright, perfect. See what's in here. Oh, domestic ferrets. There he is, right there. Sleeping. North American porcupine. I don't see him. Oh, a bearded dragon. She's only funny, cute one. Fennec fox. Yeah. Nothing in there. Let's see. Hold on, we got someone not moving around currently. Very good. Looks like we got a sloth. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, sloth time.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Question. What animals you guys bring out for the 11:30 presentation?
So it depends on the keeper, really. I know for us too, we bring out a lot of like lizards, snakes. Sometimes we bring out mammals, just depends. But it's a bunch of different stuff. Obviously, small animals, well, usually small animals
Okay.
that are safe for both us and the public. So
What about the armadillo?
Sometimes.
she might, yeah. Well, our other coworker, Jackie, she's going to be doing the 11:30 presentation.
Where would that be at?
So that's going to be just down this way and
Okay.
look to the left.
Where
after
all
this
the chairs
pillar
is?
With all the chairs, yeah.
Looks like I'm gonna be the only one doing it.
That's okay.
There you
Hands-on experience, nice.
There you go.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes. For free. Well, $12, but yeah. Aw. How much is the sloth encounter that she's doing?
We've never worked the front desk. So, oh yeah, we'll ask them for you. I believe it's probably for one person.
They're both active. Very active sloths.
Oh yeah.
I went down to the wild animal park down in
Oh, in Chittenango?
Chittenango. We did a sloth encounter. It's pretty cool. One of them had a baby.
Oh, wow.
Like the baby was laying on top, and then we tried feeding to the baby, and the mom was like, "No, do not touch my baby."
Yeah, they can be protective.
Especially with their claws. So it tries to swing at us. It was like, it's fun to play limbo.
Oh, jeez.
It was fun though.
Yeah, our guys that we do sloth encounters, they're definitely a lot more mellow.
Yeah. What kind of sloths are these?
They're two-toed sloths.
Okay,
Yep.
yeah, that's what I thought. How many species of sloths are there?
I know there's the two-toed. The ones I know of are the two-toed, and within that there's Linnaeus and Hoffman, and then there's also the three-toed sloth.
I'm not sure how many are the three-toed.
What's
Yeah,
the
the
difference?
three-toed.
What's the difference between two-toed and three-toed?
So the two-toed sloths, they on their front legs they have the two claws and then three on the back. But three-toed sloths, they have the three on front and three on back. Also,
Okay.
the three-toed sloths, they're from a totally different area. It's
I remember the area. I just
I
know.
don't remember, it's different though. These guys are from the
Yeah.
Amazon.
And apparently, pretty much the only ones that you'll find like in zoos and stuff in the U.S. are the two-toads because
Yeah.
the three-toads have a very specific diet. It's like hibiscus leaves, I think is what Charlie says.
Yeah.
So, which is supposedly really hard to grow in the U.S. or have like a good supply of it.
Yeah.
So that's why you really only see two-toads.
I think personally, if you look up pictures of the three-toed, they're a little funny looking.
The-
They're really tiny and they have like these crazy big bug eyes, and
Okay.
they're a lot smaller than two-toed.
Okay. Okay.
So
All right.
yeah.
This is pretty cool. I saw you guys had the old location, but I never got to visit.
Well,
And you
great.
guys
Now
got
you get
this
to
one.
see the new one, which is
Yeah.
bigger and better.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Wow, nice. A lot more space for the animals too.
Oh yeah.
Definitely more to pull around in.
Yep.
Usually when I come in, the fennec fox is still sleeping.
Oh, was he awake?
No, he was sleeping.
Oh,
still.
he was still sleeping? Okay.
He sleep all day.
Yeah, he does sleep most of the time.
I used to work at the Rosamond Gifford Zoo, and we had the koalas. Those are hard to keep up with.
Wait, did you just work there like this summer then?
I was in the cafe,
Oh,
but one of the
gotcha.
keepers told me they was pretty hard to work with, especially the diet.
Oh yeah,
The
I would
diet.
imagine.
They said it's pretty pricey. Just trying to feed those guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hibiscus leaves.
Yep.
Very cool though.
A lot of mammals like that, they have such specific diets. They're hard to keep.
Yeah.
That's why the only primate that we have is our bush baby over here.
Okay. What's a bush baby?
It's a type of primate. They're pretty small,
Okay.
and they have these great big eyes. They're nocturnal, long bushy tail.
Okay.
You probably won't get to see him just because
Sleeping.
he does sleep
Yeah.
all day. Yeah, it's very rarely that.
What
you get
time
to
is
see
it?
him.
What time is it?
11, 12.
Okay. Alright. So I got 15 minutes to walk around.
Yeah.
Alright. Pretty cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How long is the presentation?
Usually about 30 minutes. Sometimes
Okay.
it's cut short. I mean, if it's just you by yourself, you can tell Jackie like, oh, I can't do the full 30 minutes, which I'm sure she'll be
I'll be
fine.
happy to do as long as they can.
Oh, okay. Perfect
I
then.
love animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
And
you
we
guys-
have- They're
Every hour and a half hour.
Yeah. So we do
So-
11:30, 12:30, 1:30.
So every hour, basically?
Yeah.
And a half hour?
Yep.
Alright. When do you guys start doing the presentations?
When did we start
Yeah.
doing them?
Because when I came to the grand opening you guys had, they didn't do the presentation.
Oh yeah, I don't think that day
Oh,
we
yeah.
did. 'Cause there was just honestly a lot going on, and a lot of us up here are still fairly new, and I think weren't
Okay.
quite ready yet too.
Yeah,
So it's kind of a combo of things.
Alright.
Yeah, that day was crazy.
Yeah.
We didn't do any that day.
No, we didn't.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
a lot going on.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, let's see what's in here. Probably bunnies. Anna, there's bunnies. Hello. Oh my goodness, look at you both. Oh, let's see what's in this one. More bunnies. More bunnies. And a hungry bunny too. There's this one in the back. My nose coyote. Cody. Cody. I don't see any, unfortunately. Oh, armadillo. See what's in here. I don't see anything. No armadillo. Oh, it's a chameleon. It's a chameleon. That far. Well, there's one. Back on. Nothing. See what's in here. Boa can stay there. Oh, he's up on there. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pretty big. Put in its place. Ball python. Oh, there's one. And he's sleeping. gecko. Oh, there's two. A white tree frog. Gray rattlesnake. Oh, there it is. Kind of see him? Oh, there he is. Getting up close to his head. There you go. Hey, he's right here. He's saying hello. How are you? Habitat under construction. See if we can find any more. Oh my goodness, that is a. Are you sure that's a green iguana? Do you have the time?
It is 11:20.
Okay, so 10 minutes. Question. So, I got a question. So, is the green iguana, is that an actual green iguana?
Yeah.
I thought it was a rhinoceros iguana.
No, it's a green iguana.
Okay. It's big. Alright, and now we're ready for the presentation.